India's import-dependent fertilizer sector is battling elevated prices and supply disruptions of key inputs such as phosphates and potash. The pain has been aggravated by a depreciating rupee and a global supply crunch from the world's major exporters, Russia and Belarus. Despite this, investors have continued to lap up fertilizer stocks this year, aided by the government subsidy support and expectations of a good monsoon. For instance, shares of Mangalore Chemicals, Coromandel International and Deepak Fertilisers have surged up to 78% so far this year versus a 6% fall in the Sensex and Nifty indices. Analysts, however, caution that risk of a rollback in subsidy aid is a major threat to the sector.
India's fiscal deficit is around 6.4%. So there's already a lot of pressure on the government to cut down the subsidy. So which means there is a risk of, the subsidy being converted into bond or something, or there can be a delay in payment of subsidy. So that can create a working capital problem. So therefore I would advise caution on the fertilizer stock in the short term. Also, even if they are allowed to pass on the price hike, then the price elasticity of demand will start working. I mean, if urea price is fixed, but phosphatic fertilizer prices are adjusted to the market price gradually. So the affordability also will become a big question, when you continue to rise the prices. So from all angles, I see a lot of adverse factors converging now.
These risks further assume significance as the government batted for rationalizing non-capital expenditure such as wage, subsidy and interest payments in June. Besides, high input costs and supply issues reportedly forced state-run Gujarat State Fertilisers to shut its 3 diammonium phosphate units in May. On Monday, Mangalore Chemicals announced the shutdown of its phosphatic fertilizer plant due to non-availability of phosphoric acid.
Good monsoon has always been a positive for fertilizer companies for the last 3 to 4 years since we have witnessed very good monsoon in India. Government policies are also favorable. The only problem is the recent slowdown in global economy has impacted the supply side constraints to a certain extent. But you need to be careful in terms of what you are buying in this sector. Not like you buy anything and you can make money. It's not like that. So you need to be very stock specific while getting into the fertilizer sector.
That said, IT major Wipro will be on the streets radar today ahead of its Q1 results. Analysts expect Wipro's margin to take a sequential hit of 50 to 70 bps due to wage inflation, while it may report modest revenues.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
तुम इतना डर गए? अब क्या किया?
शेयर्स में ट्रेडिंग।
तुम्हें 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
ओए, अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर मिलते हैं रिसर्च टूल्स, पोर्टफोलियो एनालिटिक्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज भी। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.